When is a writ of certiorari used by the Supreme Court? Imagine a case that has gone through all the lower courts, but someone still feels the decision was wrong. How does that case reach the highest court in the land? That's where a writ of certiorari comes into play. It is a special legal order the Supreme Court uses to decide whether to review a case from a lower court. But it's not an automatic right. It's a tool the court uses to pick cases that matter most. When a party is unhappy with a decision made in a lower court, they can file a petition asking the Supreme Court for a writ of certiorari. This petition explains the facts of the case and the legal questions they want the court to consider. The Supreme Court then reviews these petitions and decides whether to grant the writ. If at least 4 of the 9 justices agree, the court will accept the case and review the lower court's decision. If fewer than 4 justices agree, the petition is denied, and the lower court's ruling stands. The court usually grants certiorari in cases that involve conflicts between different federal appellate courts or between state and federal courts. These conflicts, known as circuit splits, can cause inconsistent legal decisions across the country. The court also looks for cases that involve important constitutional issues or questions that could set new legal standards. Granting a writ of certiorari allows the Supreme Court to focus on the most significant legal questions rather than hearing every appeal. It acts as a filter, ensuring only cases with broad impact or unresolved conflicts reach the highest level. This process is part of the post-trial actions, where cases have already been decided in lower courts but still have unresolved legal questions. In practical terms, the writ of certiorari is the gateway for cases to reach the Supreme Court after they have gone through the appeals process. It directs the lower court to send the case record to the Supreme Court for review. It also signals the court's interest in examining the legal issues involved. So, from the courtroom perspective, a writ of certiorari is a key tool that controls which cases the Supreme Court will hear. It helps the court focus on cases that can clarify the law or resolve conflicts, making sure the law stays consistent and fair across the country.